Thomas and Friends. Gordon, the big, strong engine. Gordon is blue and very grand. He's the fastest engine in the land. It really is a splendid sight when Gordon puffs with all his might. I'm Gordon, the big engine. Number 4, he's strong and proud. He blows his whistle long and loud. Everyone knows Gordon's name. No other engine is quite the same. Poop, poop. Gordon pulls the big express. His strength is certain to impress. He thunders quickly down the line, always keen to be on time. Here comes the express. When Gordon sees his friends ahead, he doesn't stop but calls instead, I mustn't stop, I can't be late, my passengers won't like to wait. Goodbye, Gordon. One day Gordon's whistle broke. The engines thought it was a joke. Peep, 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 the whistle blew. Help me, Gordon told his crew. Gordon felt very silly. Gordon thinks that big is best. Big engines sometimes need a rest. One day when he was fast asleep, Thomas woke him with a beep. Wake up, lazy bones! Shunting trucks makes Gordon grumpy. The journey's always slow and bumpy. Dirty cold trucks, oh the shame, says Gordon as he pulls the train. Biff, bump. When it's time to go to bed, Gordon puffs home to the shed. No more trucks playing games, just peace with Percy, Henry and James. Good night, engines.